Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you what to do if your laptop's battery is draining way too fast. So the first thing that you can do on your laptop is change the battery power mode. To do that, right click the battery icon on the status bar, go to power and sleep settings, then open the power mode section and change the values you see right here to best power efficiency. You can also go to screen sleep and hibernate timeouts and set the values here to recommended ones, and consider using energy saver. I recommend expanding this list and setting the value at which the value of your battery level at which you want the energy saver to turn on automatically. If you want to turn it on manually, switch the toggle to the right, and here you can find the toggle which lets you decide whether to lower screen brightness when you're using energy saver. The next thing that you can do is reduce the amount of apps that are draining your battery, and to do that, right click the taskbar, go to the task manager, then right click one of the columns you see right here and select the power usage. Sort your applications by power usage and see which ones are using the most of your power. And if you see an application that you don't need at the moment, which uses a lot of your power, you simply have to right click this application and select end task, and this way you will turn it off and you will make your battery last much longer. The next thing that you can do is reduce the screen brightness of your laptop. To do that, click these three icons on your status bar and then move this top slider to the left to the point where you're still comfortable with your brightness level. The next thing that you can do is update your computer. To install all the required updates for your computer, you have to open the start menu, go to settings, scroll down to Windows Update section, and once you open it, either click check for updates, or if you have some updates prepared for you, click download and install. Once the updates are complete, you might have to restart your computer, and you will be notified either via the notification in the bottom right corner of the screen or on this page right here. You can also go to advanced options, open optional updates menu, and if you find any updates right here, then also download and install them on your computer. The next thing that you can do is check the overall health level of your battery to see if you have to replace it. So open the start menu and search for CMD application, then run it as administrator by clicking right here. Click yes, and in the following window, input power CFG / battery report, press enter, then copy this path that you see right here by selecting it and right clicking it. Open either your web browser or your file explorer and paste this path into the path field. This way you will open the battery report, and the only thing that we are looking for here is the full charge capacity level. So right above it you'll find the design capacity level. So this is the original capacity of your battery that is installed in your PC, and the full charge capacity is the current capacity of your laptop. So as you can see, during the usage of this laptop, its battery lost almost 21 watts of power, and this full charge capacity value is basically detects whether or not you have to replace your battery. There is no specific value for full charge capacity, but if you're feeling uncomfortable with your current charge capacity level on the laptop, then contact DELL customer support service and order a new battery for your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.